Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Preiti and I'm India's first cruelty-free beauty blogger. I talk about all things cruelty-free and I also cover vegan beauty and lifestyle tips. If this is the kind of content that you might enjoy, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and continue watching this video. Today's video is yet another highly requested video, you guys, and I know I end up saying this in a lot of my videos, but most of you guys actually DM me, comment on my videos telling me that please cover so-and-so topic, and I want to give you guys exactly what you want to watch. And that's why this video was so highly requested after my sulphate-free shampoos video. If you haven't watched it, please check it out. I'll leave the link somewhere up here. That video has a lot of sulphate-free shampoo options that I personally have loved over the years. Similarly, now these are all the conditioners that I love. I am aware that there are more conditioners out there. I have tried a lot of them. If you've seen my hair care fails video, you probably know the things that I didn't like. And for me, these are the ones that I gravitate the most towards. I repurchase them over and over again, and I've recommended this to every single person, if you have curly hair or not. Okay guys, so these are all the conditioners and I'm going to quickly take you through all of them and how they work for my hair. The first product is the Sap Moss Weightless Hydration Conditioner by Aveda, and this is what it looks like. I'm on my first tube. This was sent to me by the brand and I've almost finished it. In the beginning, you guys, I had a love and hate relationship with this conditioner, mainly because of the smell. Oh my god, the smell. I just didn't like it, you guys. It was so chemical-like. I can't put my finger on the fragrance or smell exactly, but it smells like a lot of harsh chemicals mixed with some wood and tree bark. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but it's not the nicest fragrance. I really want the brand to add some fragrance to this, mainly because the smell of conditioner and hair mask really stay way longer than the smell of shampoo on your hair. And for me, it's really important that my hair conditioner smells good. That being said, this conditioner, man, this gets the job done. It smoothens out your hair. If you haven't detangled your hair and you want to quickly go in with your conditioner in the shower and detangle it with a wide tooth comb, you can easily do it with this. It conditions, it hydrates, it smoothens, and you're left with like soft curls, which are so not weighed down, but just so soft, you guys. And I had to get over the smell of the fragrance because it worked so well, and I'm definitely repurchasing this. This is bougie, it is pricey, and I love it and I will be purchasing it. You guys know I love Aveda products. They've all worked really well for my hair. Both the shampoo and the conditioner have the similar fragrance that I'm not a fan of, but it works for me, you guys. I really like it. If you're okay with the weird fragrance that is not floral or fruity, this might be really good for you. The next one is the Vilvah Cream Conditioner, and if you guys follow me on my Instagram and my blog, you already know that this is one of my favorite conditioners out there. This is my second bottle and I absolutely love it. I had an empties in one of my hair care empties videos and I repurchased this. This is such a good conditioner, you guys. This cream conditioner is so hydrating, you guys. It's got that perfect slip. It smells really good. It doesn't smell like Indian incense. It's got this really nice floral smell that I absolutely love. It stays on my hair even after a shower, and that's what I love the most about this. It also works as a really cool leave-in. It also works really well as a deep conditioner just before your wash. I love it when products have 3 uses or maybe 2 uses, not just the usual conditioner, you know. So I sometimes deep condition with this, and after my shower I like to use it as a leave-in. Sometimes I don't always use this for all the 3 steps because it is very hydrating. I don't want it to weigh my curls down. So you know, if my hair mask is really rich in protein and my shampoo is really rich in protein, that's when I go in with this because it's hydrating. So it works really well as a conditioner and a leave-in to balance the moisture and the protein. Another thing that I love Vilvah for is the aluminum packaging. Aluminum can be recycled endlessly. I know this is a plastic pump, but they're trying to reduce plastic as much as possible. A lot of you guys on Instagram DM'd me asking me what exactly is the slip that I keep talking about. Guys, the slip is basically, you know, when you apply a conditioner on your hair, okay, and you leave it on for 2-3 minutes and you're washing it off, you know that moment when your fingers just slip through your hair and your hair feels so soft and smooth. It's moisturized, but you can easily detangle your hair. It's not that all of the conditioner is getting absorbed into your hair. It just has this really nice coating of sorts and your hair just slips. You can detangle and you still feel the smoothness after shower. That's the slip, you guys. So this is a must-have if you have curly hair, wavy hair, straight hair, it's gonna get the job done for you. I don't have a code right now with Vilvah. A lot of you guys message me on Instagram and YouTube for it. I don't have a code with Vilvah. However, you can use my code Preiti on Vanity Wagon and get 20% off. Vanity Wagon has a bunch of Indian brands, including this one, and if you use my code, you get a 20% off. I don't know if Sublime, there's a new site called Sublime Life. I'm not sure if they stock up on Vilvah, but they do have a bunch of Indian products, you guys. So I have discount codes with both these websites, and you can use them to, you know, save a lot of money. The next product is from one of my all-time favorite curly girl brands, and this one is from Fix My Curls. It's called Mellow. It's a hydrating deep conditioner, so you can use it as a deep conditioner as well as a conditioner, you know. And what I like about this product is that you have multiple uses of it and not just conditioner. So I like to use this as a deep conditioner on days when I know that my hair needs that moisture boost. I also like to use it on days when my shampoo is really protein rich and my hair routine is going to be really protein rich. This is a good conditioner to use because it has very, very good levels of moisture. I only use this conditioner on days when my hair needs that moisture boost. This is not my regular everyday conditioner, mainly because it's very moisture rich and my waves do not need that much of moisture or they'll just be weighed down. With wavy hair, it's really tricky, you guys. If there's too much moisture, the hair just falls flat, as is the case with any other hair type. But with waves, because they're so loose, you need more protein to hold them and give them that shape. This is really cool for extremely tight coiled hair, big clumpy hair. You can easily use this every day. If you have wavy hair, maybe don't use it every wash, maybe use it on every second or third wash, or on days when you just need that hydration boost. If you're not living in an extremely humid country or city, like I'm in Bombay right now, it's really humid, so I don't use this for every wash. I also have a discount code with the brand, you guys. You can use my code Preiti to get 20% off across the entire website. Use their products, you guys. It's such a good brand. I'm hooked to this since a year, and this is one of the brands that I keep repurchasing. If you saw my Instagram stories, I restocked on their gel. Man, this is some super stuff and it's superb for all curl types. I do not recommend this for a leave-in. They have a separate leave-in that has a good balance of protein and moisture. This is hydrating. If you use it as a leave-in, it will weigh your hair down. So stick to the leave-in cream from this brand and leave this for deep conditioner before wash and conditioner after wash. The next conditioner is something that you probably know by now. It's from Aveda and I go on and on about it. Can you guess which one it is? I'll give you 2 seconds. If you answered cherry almond, you're 100% right because it's a cherry almond conditioner. Guys, I love the cherry almond range. I know it's a little pricey, but man, the conditioner, the shampoo, they're so good. This range is vegan, it's cruelty-free, the whole brand is cruelty-free, and it gets the job done. Not only is it hydrating, it's got the perfect slip. It smells heavenly. It gives you soft curls, soft hair, you guys. Like it claims, it does exactly that. It says it's a softening conditioner and it does exactly that. If you feel that you want your hair to be slightly softer, if it's got rough around the edges, if you've colored it too much, or if you just want to give it that hydration boost, this is a good conditioner for you because it'll really soften your curls. For me, this is a conditioner that I use almost every wash because it's one of my favorites. This is my second tube. The first one was sent to me by the brand and man, it's such a good conditioner. I love the shampoo too. It's really nice, lathers up really well, clears buildup, clears oils and hair masks really well. Both of them have the same exact fragrance, and this duo is one of my favorites. I highly recommend this to anybody. If you have a little extra money to splurge on, definitely get this range. The next one is again from a curly girl Indian brand, and this one is Curl Up. This is an empty, you guys. I have repurchased it a few days ago, so I'm guessing in the next 2-3 days or by the time this video goes up, I should have a brand new product on me. The Curl Hydrating Conditioner is really nice because it does not weigh your hair down. It's got a very nice slip to it. It's got the perfect balance of moisture and protein, so you won't feel like your hair is being weighed down. It will definitely reduce frizz and it will improve your curl texture. So this one, because of the ingredient list, is going to work really well even for wavy hair. It's going to give you that definition of your curls and it gives you that really nice shine that I personally really like. I mean, who wouldn't mind good shine on their hair, right? So this one is a must-have for any curly girl. If you have wavy hair like mine or looser waves, if you have coils, big clumps, all curl types will really benefit from this because not only is it hydrating, it's also conditioning, it's also strengthening, it gives you that shine. It improves your curl formation, and with regular use, you will notice that your frizz also reduces significantly. I'm so excited to get my new tube because, you know, I've been trying out so many conditioners. I didn't get a chance to repurchase this. This was sent to me by the brand. So I finally am going to have it in stock and I'm so excited. My only problem, and I've mentioned this before, is that the fragrance could have been a little more florally. It smells too much of nut oils, you know, it smells too raw. And it stays on my hair for long, so I don't like that. But because it gets the job done, I see myself purchasing it. I would really like it if the brand added some essential oils and some floral scents to that so that it smells more fresh. Smell of conditioner, guys, it stays longer than shampoo. I've already said this before, and if it doesn't smell fresh on the second or third day, it's going to start smelling really weird and you don't want that. So I really would suggest, if the brand is watching this, please add some essential oils. It's going to really improve the formula so much, man. And I will just be like the biggest fan. Not that I'm not already a fan, but you get the drift. The next one is from the Body Shop, and this is the Shea Butter Richly Replenishing Conditioner. This is what it looks like. I haven't used too much of this. I'll tell you why. It is a good conditioner, you guys. Highly recommend this for anybody who's got dry hair, brittle hair, hair that is way too frizzy, hair that simply does not get nourished or moisturized. This is going to work really well for you. If you live in a humid city or humid country like in the monsoons in Bombay right now, skip this conditioner because it's very hydrating. Now, since it's a very moisturizing conditioner, it doesn't have a lot of protein in it, it's gonna weigh your hair down. It's not gonna make your hair dry faster. And if you're living in a humid city or in the monsoon weather, your hair is just not gonna dry. The key ingredient in this conditioner is shea butter along with coconut oil and a bunch of other ingredients. Now, shea butter is a very hydrating ingredient, okay? It's gonna really moisturize, nourish, and smoothen out your hair, which is great. But if you have wavy hair and hair that gets weighed down too easily, this might just weigh your hair down, okay? This works brilliantly for me in hot summers, which are dry winters. I love this product for those weathers, but in the monsoons, I avoid it completely. That being said, if you have thick coils and big clumpy hair, big curls, the tight knit curls, this will work superb for you because it will moisturize your curls and make them shinier. If you have wavy hair, you might want to use it only in drier weather conditions. This conditioner has a very minimal slip to it. It's not extreme like the Aveda ones, like the Curl Up and the Fix My Curls one. But this has a decent slip to it. I don't mind it because I mainly use this for the moisturizing effect during the drier weathers. I love the fragrance of this too. Body Shop has maintained the fragrance across their ranges so well. The shea butter fragrance is just so beautiful in this conditioner. I highly recommend this. And the best part, guys, is that Body Shop accepts all of its empties back in their recycling program, which is so cool because they use a lot of plastic. The last and final product is again from Aveda, and this one is the Shampure Nuturing Conditioner. The brand sent me multiple samples of the same conditioner, so I'm literally on my second or third one right now. I really want to repurchase like a whole bottle because this conditioner is so good. It works the same way as a cherry almond conditioner, but the fragrance is so different, and this one is slightly more conditioning. I didn't find much of a difference between both of them, but this one I feel has a more conditioning effect. It doesn't have that softening effect that cherry almond did. Cherry almond range, it really softens your curls, gives them that bounce. This one I feel is more like a fuss-free conditioner that you can easily use in all of your wash routines. It's got a very, very nice fragrance and it has a decent slip. Gets the job done, will work for all hair types, curly, straight, wavy, all of them. I also noticed that it reduced the frizz really well. It doesn't really give me soft and bouncy curls, but it does a very good job with hydrating them and adding that slight shine. It's basically very similar to the cherry almond range, but if I had to pick either one of those, I would definitely pick the cherry almond because that's like my holy grail. But if that's not available for some reason, I will go for this one because they both work the same way. That one makes your curls a little more bouncier. This one doesn't do any of that. This is just a very fuss-free conditioner. The brand also sent me a shampoo from this range, you guys, but I've been trying out so many different shampoos and shampoo bars these days. I've honestly not had the chance to try it out. But whenever I do, I'll let you guys know on Instagram, so do follow me there if you aren't already. I put up a lot of behind the scenes and a lot of fun makeup videos there, so do check me out there whenever you can. And that's about it, you guys. Those are all the conditioners that I absolutely love. They've worked beautifully for my curly wavy hair. I see myself repurchasing them over and over again because they get the job done. These will work great for all hair types mostly. And let me know in the comments below if you have any recommendations for me for conditioners and shampoos from any cruelty-free brands. It could be Indian or international, in the comments below. Also, if you've tried out any of these conditioners, let me know in the comments how your experience was. I really want to know if the products are working the same way for you or if they have different effects, because you know, one product may not work the same for everybody, and that's why I love to hear back from you guys on my Insta DMs, comments, comments, anywhere, guys. Just let me know what your experience is like if you've tried any of these. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me, you guys. I really want to grow on YouTube, and it's honestly very challenging as compared to Instagram. I personally find Instagram is really easy. On YouTube, you know, it's the algorithm is a little different, so I would need your support to grow, and it would mean the world to me if you guys could support me on this journey. And while you're at it, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all of my previous videos right here. I'll catch you guys later. Till then, take care of yourself and take care of your hair. Bye!